In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hood strut on your BMW 550i. This will be located on the hood. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick or a small flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pick up on the clip on the top, lift slightly up on the hood and push it off. I recommend having a hood prop when you do this. The hood can fall. Do the same thing on the bottom. And remove the hood strut. Grab the new hood strut and install it onto the bottom. It'll just clip into place. And we'll do the same thing on the top. To install the top, we're going to push this lock off. We're going to reinstall that lock, push it up and in, and it'll hook around and clip in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.